Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to solve second degree equations. First of all, what's a second degree equation? Well, a second degree equation is this. This is the general form. And in this case, A, B, and C are what's called coefficients. We're going to exploit them to then find the solutions for this equation. First of all, in the steps to calculate the solution, we're going to calculate the discriminant. So the discriminant is used with the letter delta, and the formula is b squared minus 4 times a times c. Now, after obtaining delta, we're going to check its value. So if delta is above 0, we have two solutions. The first one is minus b minus square root of delta over 2 times a. And x squared, and the other solution is x equals minus b plus square root of delta over 2a. As you can see, the only difference between those two is one you subtract the square root of delta, and the other you add square root of delta. The other case is if delta is equal to 0. In that case, it's simpler. We only have one solution, and it's x equals minus b over 2a. And the third case is if delta doesn't have a solution, if delta is inferior than 0. In that case, we don't have a real solution. So we cannot solve the equation for now. So we're going to apply those rules in this example. As you can see, this is an ordinary second degree equation, and we can already identify the coefficients, so a, b, and c. Here, a equals 3, b equals 2, and c equals minus 3. Now, the next step is to calculate the discriminant. We're going to use the formula over there. So delta equals, so b squared, so 2 squared minus 4 times 3 times c, times minus 3. So we get 4 times 3 times minus 3. So 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 3 is minus 12, minus 12 times minus 3 is 36. So we get 4 plus 36, which equals to 40. Now, delta is above 0, as we can see. Therefore, we have two solutions. We can write it already. x1 equals minus b, so minus 2 minus square root of 40 over 2 times a, which is 2 times 3, which is 6. And the second solution, we can just replace the minus with a plus. So x2 equals minus 2 plus square root of delta, 40 in this case, over 6. Now, those are solutions, but we can simplify them. So x1 equals minus 2. Square root of 40 is actually 2 times square root of 10. So we get minus 2 times square root of 10 over 6. And x2 equals minus 2 plus 2 square root of 10 over 6. And now, because 2 and 6 can be divided by 2, we get x1 equals minus 1 minus square root of 10 over 3, and x2 equals minus 1 plus square root of 10 over 3. Ta-da! We found we just solved our second degree equation, and those are the solutions. Now, if you want to check if they're correct, you can obviously replace them here, and you're supposed to find 0. If you don't, they're false. Thank you for listening, and well, have fun solving second degree equations.